Hi, we are in Module 5 of our assessment of reading difficulties, and we are getting ready to dive in to our Level 2 dyslexia assessments. So these are the objectives that we're going to be working with. Usual reminders, testing checkout, be sure and sign up as needed. Don't forget to complete your field forms and reflections as you assess, and don't forget to be working on your final clinical unit as you go so it's not so overwhelming at the end. You have two major assessments that you will be giving in this module, and they are the CTOP and the Tower. So if we look in our dyslexia resource guide, starting on page 23 is information about the Level 2 dyslexia screening. And I would encourage you to be sure to read this part, especially where there are questions to consider when identifying students with characteristics of dyslexia. These are very, very good questions. And a school-based decision-making team could use those 5 questions to help determine if the student is in need of services. So, we're going to look at what does that Level 2 battery of tests look like. So, we're going to go, it gets in the appendix. Yes, here we are. Assembling a battery for the Level 2 dyslexia screener. So we're going to be doing the CTOP and the Tower first. The CTOP is going to cover our phonological awareness. The CTOP is also going to cover our rapid naming. We don't have letter knowledge covered yet. We don't have decoding covered yet, or word recognition. We are not doing these 2 pieces yet, but we will get the oral reading fluency through the Tower. That's what we're using it for. And we won't have spelling or any of the outcomes. So we're just going to get a couple of areas checked off here. Let's go back and look again. We're going to get this one checked off, the oral reading fluency, and then we are going to get these 2 checked off, phonological awareness and rapid naming, with these 3 assessments. Okay, so in Blackboard, in Module 5, there is a folder that says CTOP. In the folder, you'll find a video of me teaching you how to administer the CTOP and how to score the CTOP. There are some pages from the CTOP manual there to help with the analysis, and some pages describing the CTOP test so that perhaps that will help you after you have administered the test. Once you have administered the test, I want you to be sure and score everything, and again, we want a brief analysis here of what your findings are, what you think you're seeing here. If you have absolutely no idea where to start, we can, this is great things to talk about in our Zoom meetings, or we can schedule individual time. And just know that what you write in your analysis, I will be giving you feedback on. Especially if there's something that I see that's perhaps different. Okay? Then you're going to do the same thing for testing. For the Tower, we have a video over how to give and how to score. So you're going to scan and upload all the pages that you recorded on. Be sure they are completed and scored, and then write a brief analysis of what you think the results mean. Please be sure you are using the same child starting at this point, beginning with the CTOP. You need to use the same child for the rest of the assessments, and it must be someone in kindergarten through 12th grade. So it can be anywhere in that range, but it needs to be somewhere in that range. Okay? All right, so that's the CTOP and Tower. So those are going to be what you work on this module. Your homework then due on Sunday are your CTOP assessments with your brief analysis and your Tower assessment with your brief analysis. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing how you do in your analysis and answering any questions you have.